Hello everybody. So my name is James Geiger, medical doctor, board certified anesthesiologist, clinically certified aromatherapist and massage therapist, and I use essential oils in the operating room because that's where my office is. I've been doing anesthesia now for more than 30 years. I won't really track it out too much farther, and I'm still enjoy it. It's a great specialty. I see other doctors though personally when I have needs physically, but I also use essential oil products, and I have for years, and I love them. They are fabulous, and they've helped me tremendously. And right now I'm enrolling other doctors in doTERRA business. You can too. I'd like to share with you how to do that, because as a wellness advocate you are a representative of a billion-dollar company that specializes in health and wellness. Seriously. And that's why doctors and all these estheticians and other specialists, chiropractors, podiatrists, they went into medicine or into their specialty to help people, right? That is their primary interest. They want to help people. You want to help people. I want to help people. And that's what doTERRA does. It helps people. It helps you as a wellness advocate, and this program, Enroll Doctors on Demand, can help you with your doTERRA business. It's an opportunity, doTERRA business is, but so is this Enrolling Doctors on Demand. It's a turnkey operation. You ever heard that? I call it like Doc in a Box. I mean, literally, it has programs built into it that are even protocols, all based on a modular system that you can understand, that trains you how to talk to a doctor, how to walk in there with authority, with education, with the ability to express yourself in almost a pharmaceutical-like rep way about how they can implement a doTERRA business in their practice. Oh yeah, seriously, a doTERRA business in their practice, and help people, because that's what they wanted to do in the first place. They have an interest in helping people, and so does doTERRA all over the world. They can have a global business in outreach from their own office. They can enroll other doctors. You can train your doctor in essential oils using this program as well, because there are very specific protocols, starting with acne all the way to the Z level of protocols that are itemized. It has an essential oil library of all the doTERRA products, so you can have them in their office as you're training their staff read and learn about oils if they need to learn about it from scratch. Who knows, maybe they have a real key person in there, a real champion for it already, an office manager that wants to go with it. You know, there's so many great things. There's a whole raft of reference articles. I just love aromatic science articles, and I go mainly for the human ones. There are a lot of rat studies, oh there are, but the human ones are becoming better and better. I'm a specialist in medical aromatherapy in the 21st century, and let me tell you, this Enroll Doctors on Demand is a great program for implementing that in your doctor's office and any other doctor's office that you want to walk into. It's who you know. It's who you got the guts to go and meet and talk to and share about essential oils with, and what you can do with it and follow up. There's a lot you can do with this program. It's so well designed, and I watched it in the evolution of it, and I've seen it in action, and it is tremendous. These protocols, they really can meet the needs when you have things in your health that you need to integrate and get support from the natural products. So, Doc in a Box, Enroll Doctors on Demand. It's the way to go in this day and time. Medical aromatherapy in the 21st century. Thanks so much for listening.